Good morning, dear Shem Stars. How are you all? I hope you all are utilizing your time in studies while being safe at home. So as you all know, in the previous class, we were discussing about animal tissues. So we are going to continue with the same in today's class also. So let's begin with the class, children. So today we shall be discussing about the next animal tissue, that is the nervous tissue. Nervous tissue, children, the tissue which responds to stimuli, that is the nervous tissue. The brain, spinal cord and nerves composed of nervous tissue or neurons. The neurons are specialized for conduction of nerve impulses. They receive stimuli from within or outside the body and conduct impulses. Impulses are also known as signals, which travel from one neuron to another. So with the help of the diagram, children, try to understand the structure of a neuron, that is a nerve cell. Neuron is composed of the three parts: cyton or cell body, dendrites or dendron, and the third part is axon. So first of all, just see the cell body, that is the cyton part. The cell body contains the major concentration of the cytoplasm and the central nucleus of the neuron. Dendrites or dendrons, these are short, much branched and tapering projections arising from the cell body. The dendrons are further branched into dendrites. They provide a large surface area for synaptic connections with other neurons. They conduct nerve impulses towards the cell body. And the third part, children, it's axon, which is also called as nerve fiber. The axon is long, cylindrical process of uniform diameter that arises from the axon of the cyton. It shows fine branching at the terminal end. Each branch ends in a swollen structure called a synaptic knob. The axons carry impulses away from the cell body to other neurons. The synaptic knobs of terminal branches of neuron are connected with dendrite branches of the adjacent neuron. Each such junction, in fact, has a minute gap which is called a synapse. Synapse, the details of synapse, children, this you are going to study in your class 10. That's all about the structure of neuron. So now, to summarize the nervous tissue, children, you should understand the nervous tissue stimulates and transmits the stimulus very rapidly from one place to another within the body. Brain, spinal cord and nerves all are composed of the nervous tissue. Neuron, which is a nerve cell, consists of a cell body which comprises of nucleus and cytoplasm, from which long, thin, hair-like parts arise. The neuron has a single long part called the axon, which transmit the nerve impulses to body parts. The neuron has short branched parts called dendrites. Many nerve fibers combine together by connective tissue and form a nerve. Nerve impulses enables animals to move rapidly in response to stimuli. That's all for today's class, children. Hope whatever was explained to you, you have understood it nicely. Even then, if you have any doubts, feel free to ask. That's all. Thank you. God bless you all.